Imagine yourself in this 2010 Kia Optima LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: manual air conditioning with air filter, electronic stability control, front seat mounted side airbags, auxiliary and USB input jacks, home link remote transmitter, rear window with defroster, trip computer, and 8-way power driver seat. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.